I'm criminal defense hero Don Hammond, talking about the wide variety of possible domestic violence cases. In California, there are a couple of statutes that apply directly to domestic violence. The more serious one is 273.5, which is corporal injury to spouse. And spouse in these contexts can mean anybody you've ever slept with, basically. It's not limited to just somebody you're currently married to. 273.5, corporal injury to spouse, is a wobbler, so it can be filed as a felony or as a misdemeanor in the prosecutor's discretion and depending on the facts of the case. The next statute is 243E1, which is a misdemeanor spousal battery. That's going to be filed more often if there's no marks being left on the alleged victim. And as a misdemeanor, it's punishable by up to a year in county jail, usually a 52-week domestic violence counseling class, and some 3 years of summary probation. Other charges that can arise in domestic violence cases include criminal threats under Penal Code Section 422, which is also a wobbler. It can be a felony or a misdemeanor. And I've also seen some cases where vandalism charges are related to domestic violence, where somebody has destroyed another person's property, or in some cases, it turns out to be their own property that was destroyed, which can be a defense to a vandalism charge. So those are sort of the wrap up of possible charges. Of course, there are all kinds of other laws in the penal code that could be applicable, but those are the most common ones that we see in domestic violence cases. In every case, the government, meaning the prosecutor, has the burden of proving their case beyond a reasonable doubt. And if they're unable to do that, which is my job to make sure they're unable to do that, we have a great chance of getting a great result in the case. It's Don Hammond talking about domestic violence.